Welcome back to the channel. The alignment checks for the main engine and propeller shaft. The propulsion train from the engine's crankshaft to the propeller blades is a continuous, high-speed, high-power unit. Proper alignment is absolutely crucial for minimizing vibration, preventing excessive wear on bearings, couplings, and seals, and ensuring the efficient and reliable transfer of power to the propeller. Misalignment, even minor, introduces cyclical stresses that can lead to catastrophic failure over time. The inspection process focuses on ensuring the crankshaft center line is perfectly aligned with the propeller shaft center line, maintaining a precise, stress-free connection through the intermediate shaft and its supporting plumber blocks. There are two primary methods used for these checks: bearing load assessment and coupling gap and sag measurement. The bearing load assessment ensures that the weight of the crankshaft and the propeller shaft assembly is evenly distributed across all supporting main bearings and plummet block bearings. In large, flexible engine blocks and hull structures, bearing loads can shift due to hull deflection from cargo loading, ballasting, or thermal expansion. The jack-up load test is commonly used, particularly for main bearings. This involves using a hydraulic jack and a dial indicator to temporarily lift the crankshaft slightly at the main bearing cap. The lift height is monitored against the force applied, indicating how much load that specific bearing is carrying. The second critical check is the coupling gap and sag measurement. The propeller shaft line is typically assembled from sections connected by flange couplings. When two flanges are perfectly aligned, the faces are parallel and their center lines are collinear. The inspection involves measuring the gap between the coupling faces at various points around the circumference and the sag or offset between the center lines using a dial indicator or feeler gauges. To measure the gap, a feeler gauge is inserted at 4 or 8 equally spaced points around the flange. The readings must be nearly identical, confirming the faces are parallel. Any significant variation indicates an angular misalignment. To measure the sag or offset, a dial indicator is mounted on one flange and contacts the periphery of the other. The indicator is rotated 360 degrees, and the total indicator reading shows the extent of the parallel offset. Both the gap and sag measurements must fall within the very strict tolerances specified by the engine and shafting manufacturers. If they are out of tolerance, corrective measures involve rechocking the intermediate shaft bearings or adjusting the engine chocks. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, comment, like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Thank you.